Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam achievements not unlocking using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken tracker links on your current setup session so your milestone medals pop up safely on your personal profile page. Step 1. Verify your live network connection and cloud sync status. The first step is to open your main software library on your desktop screen and make sure your game is allowed to talk directly to the main internet storage folders. Move your mouse pointer to your software library list, find your target game, click your right mouse button once on it, select the row that says Properties, stay on the General tab, and look for the switch that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud. Verify that this specific toggle switch is flipped to the active on position and showing a bright color flat against your background view. Because achievements require a live, active handshake link between your computer machine and the main internet network. If this cloud switch is turned off, your computer will keep your game wins hidden away in your local folders, and the main server will never receive the signal that you earned a badge. Turning this on ensures your game data flows straight to the tracker boards. Step 2. Turn off all cheats and external modifier tools. Next, you need to go to your desktop screen and completely close down any outside helper programs, trainer tools, or custom modification packs that alter your game rules. Move your cursor to the bottom taskbar of your computer screen, look for any active icons for game modification tools or cheat menus, right-click on them, and choose the button that says Close or Exit. Double-check your running applications list to confirm your workspace area is completely clear of any rule-bending background helper files. Because almost every modern game features an automatic security rule hidden inside its computer memory card, the second the game engine detects an outside tool altering your health, money, or game speed, it drops an invisible curtain that locks your achievements tight. To earn badges again, you must play the game under its normal vanilla rules, meaning all outside advantage tools must be completely wiped from your background memory slot. Step 3. Wipe out your main internet browser tracking files. Now, you need to open your Master Options menu and use the built-in System Cleaner to scrub away old, broken web tracking details that are clogging up your profile panel. Move your mouse pointer up to the top left corner, click Steam, click Settings, slide down to the row labeled In-Game or Interface, locate the button that says Delete Web Browser Data, and click it once. Click the OK confirmation box when it pops up right over your screen canvas rows, and wait a moment for the cleanup tool to finish its work. Because the system tracking boards that count your achievements rely heavily on your application's internal web paths, if your temporary web storage folder gets packed with old, corrupted files, it creates a blind spot. The application engine might register your win inside the game, but the broken web files prevent the pop-up text from sliding onto your screen workspace canvas. Clearing this box gives the tracker a fresh, clean window to display your badges. And that's it. To fix Steam achievements not unlocking, you must first open your game properties and turn on the Steam Cloud toggle switch on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to your desktop to completely close down any outside cheat engines or modification tools on your screen rows to clear safety locks. Next, you go to your settings under the interface area and click Delete Web Browser Data to clean out your broken tracking folder files. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.